From the floor of the CME Group, this is Danny Riley on today's Cash Close. You know what? The S&P made new highs today, and then it sold off. But even when it sold off, it only went down 4 handles on the day. You know, it was like they had these little sell programs, and then late in the day they came back with these little buy programs. The high of the day in the S&P came in at 1497.5 mid-morning. The low came in at 1486.5 midday, and last were 1491 even. We're only up 7 ticks, or 0.70 handles, 0.7 handles. Total volume, 1.75 million minis trade. That's a good increase from what we've been seeing. I think we only had 1.1 million yesterday total, and about 8,000 big S&Ps trade in the pit. 17 of the Dow 30 were for sale small, and MOC, this is narrowing a little bit, you guys, we only had 260 million to buy. Tomorrow's only economic release is the new home sales. Now look, after we had the big run up to 1493, we had a little bit of a run up late in the day up to 1493. But when these imbalances came out a little bit weaker than what we've been seeing, the S&P traded back down a little bit. But again, while the volumes picked up a little bit, what we think happened here today was when the S&P sold off from its high up at 97.5 down to 86, what happened is a lot of these little sellers came back in the market, and then late in the day when the imbalances came out, of course, they chased those little buy stops back out, and then we reversed back down a little bit. But net, we're up only 2 ticks. Listen, we're going to leave it like that. There's no economic release tomorrow. The market's been on remote control to the upside, and we'll see you tomorrow in the opening print.